Hi everybody, Jeff Carson here. Thanks for checking out my WSO. I wanted to just quickly give you a look inside and tell you what this is all about. It's called Azon Classroom. It's premium Amazon niche site training, and I just want to quickly go inside and show you what it looks like. It's going to be a detailed video course, and the modules here discuss things like the first module is just an introduction to Amazon and the key concepts we need to know before we can dive in. Research, I talk about 4 different ways that I think about selecting a niche and a domain name and all sorts of, talking about looking at the competition and all that. Site building module, we actually go through and choose a niche during that research module, and then use like a really simple process of choosing a niche and we just build a blog from scratch right here in the site building module. We put the content on there and I go through all the concepts that I use. Promotion module, I go into deep detail of what I do to promote the website. And social backlinking module, that's a module that I put in after the Google Penguin update. And the case study module here, I'm just going to click on this because this is the thing that I'm most proud of with this Azon Classroom course. And the reason why I built this is because I went through and I just followed the blog. And so the first follow-up shows this little stats and ranking report, and then the second follow-up is the first sale, which was actually the next day after that. And then it just goes through and keeps tracking all that stuff. And then the newest follow-up here was just recently, and then and I'll show you some sales in a few seconds here. But another thing I'm going to have is a bonus as you can see in there, there's a bonus section right here, and that will be Azon Content Domination, which is a 100+ page PDF report of how I just create compelling content that turns visitors into buyers. So you get a lot more commissions with just a minimal amount of people. I mean, even if you only have a slight amount of people coming to your blog, you can convert all those people into buyers, and then it's just a matter of getting more people to your blog. And I talk about 7 powerful pre-selling techniques for more sales, exploiting trends for more sales, making persuasive content for visitors. Then there's also another section on how to make money writing reviews for others in this warrior form for a quicker infusion of cash if you need it. And then making content that search engines like as well, and so much more. And I know that last comment there, making content that search engines like, begs the question, okay, how is this example site doing with these Google updates? And everybody's always wondering about these Google updates. Well, for the Penguin fix, it did get hit right here, and then we fixed it. Okay, so it's back up and running nicely. I documented everything that I did right there, and so not gonna lie, it got hit, but we muscled our way through it and documented the whole thing. And then for the exact match domain update, this was on September 28th. Here is this arrow, and you can see it didn't get hit at all, and it was still up in the 60, 70, 80 people per day range there. So the bottom line with this Azon Classroom is you're going to learn by watching it done, and that's what I set out to do when I created this Azon Classroom. It's a robust course, and it just covers everything. I'm not going to apologize for how detailed it is. And here's the example site earnings so far this month. It's $80.14 through the 23rd of October, and I literally have not done a thing to this blog in 4 months. It's gone through some great months, some other months not earning so much, but I haven't put that much work into it. And I'm telling you, if you want to know exactly how to build a blog that makes money fast and starts making money fast, and then you can just build on it, this is the course for you. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme by any means, but it's the truth, and it's all documented right there on video for you. All right, thanks a lot for checking this out, and hopefully I see you inside.